Good day. Last time we talked about factors, but this time we are going to talk about GCF, or the greatest common factor. Now we have three ways to get the GCF of the given numbers. We have the listing method, we have the prime factorization, and we have the continuous division. Let's have first the listing method. Okay, so for example, we are going to get the greatest common factor of 18 and 24. Find the GCF of 18 and 24. So what are we going to do? So we are just going to list down the factors of 18. Now let us recall our lesson on the past video. Okay? So in getting the factors of a number, we will think of a pair of numbers that when we multiply, the product should be the given number or the target number. Okay, so for 18, we can have 1 times 18, 2 times 9, 3 times 6. Okay? While on 24, we have 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 4 times 6. Okay? So now we will list down the factors. So for 18, we have 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. While on 24, we have 1, 2, 4, 6, 12, and 24. Now let us encircle those common factors. Okay, so we have 1, they are the same, 2, and then 6. Okay, now, which one is the greatest factor? Of course, it's 6. So we will get 6 as the greatest common factor. So our GCF now is 6. Okay, the GCF of 18 and 24 is 6. Okay, so that is unlisting method. Let us try the other way, the prime factorization. Okay, so let me erase this first. Listing method. Okay, so now we will do the prime factorization. Okay, so prime factorization. Again, prime factorization shows that a composite number is a product of prime numbers. Now, let us get again the GCF of 18 and 24. So 18 and 24. Let's have first 18. Okay, so 18. Think of a pair of number. So we can have 9 and 2. Okay, and 9 is still a composite, so we can split it. Okay, think of a number again that when we multiply to each other, the product is 9. So that is 3 and 3. It's because 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, so the factors of 18 are Okay, we can encircle it, by the way. Okay, the prime numbers. So we have 3, 3, and 2. Okay, so the factors of 18 are 3, 3, and 2. Now let's have 24. For 24, we can have 12 times 2. So we have 12 and 2. And 2 is already a prime number, so we can leave it there. And we can split 12 into 6 and 2. Okay? And then 6 is also a composite number, still a composite number. So we can split it into 3 and 2. Okay? So I think that's it. Let's encircle the prime numbers. We have 3, 2, 2, and 2. So the factors of 24 are 3 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay? So now we will list them here on the side. Okay? So for 18, okay, we have 3 times 3 and times 2. And on 24, we have, okay, for a while. All right. So for 24, we have 3 times 2 times 2 and times 2. Okay, it would be easy for you to find the GCF if you are going to align the common factors. Okay, now let us encircle the common factors of 18 and 24. So we have 3 and 2. Okay, let's just leave the numbers with no pair. Okay, so we will bring this down. So we have 3 times 2. And 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Okay. Therefore, the GCF of 18 and 24 is equal to 6. Okay. So that's how you get GCF using prime factorization. Okay. Now let's have the last way, the continuous division. Okay. For a while, let me erase this first. Okay. Okay. By the way, are you familiar with continuous division? Okay, let me introduce to you. Now let's have continuous division. It's like a simple division, but in a different way. Okay, so again, let's find the GCF of 18 and 24. Okay, so we will write it here and 24. Now draw a line. Now think of a number that we can divide to both 18 and 24. So I think we can have 2. Let's say 2. Okay. 18 divided by 2 is 9. Let's put it here below 18. And 24 divided by 2 is 12. Let's put it here. Okay. Then divide again. Think of a number that we can divide to both 9 and 12. So we can have 3. Okay. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Okay? So now again, think of a number that we can divide to both 3 and 4. And that is 1. Now, after doing this, okay, you will multiply the numbers on the side. So this is it. Okay? So that is 2 times 3 times 1. Okay? And then the result is the GCF. Okay, let's multiply. 2 times 3 is, okay, 6. And then 6 times 1 is 6. Okay? So our GCF is 6. Okay. The GCF is 6. Okay? I hope you understand that. Thank you.